He had crops growing into that home. I space out when I'm into that zone. I invested into that phone. Then got the whip, I'm Indiana Jones. I need my cake on top with...
Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're giving you updates on Sologenic Coreum and XRP. Also hit the like button. That helps push the channel through the analytics and helps the channel grow. So my people, today we're going to go over the Bitcoin chart. We're going to go over the Sologenic chart. And we're going to go over the Coreum chart briefly, my people. So as we can see, look, there's a sea of red going on. Blood is on the streets. Look. So as it stands, Bitcoin sitting at 26,745, down minus 1.41% on the day. Got XRP sitting at 0.50399, down minus 3.30% on the day. Sologenic sitting at 0.09411, down minus 3.73% on the day. And Coreum sitting at 0.07800, down minus 1.14% on the day. We've been talking about the market is going to fall sooner or later. Not saying this is the big collapse that's happening now, but there's a sea of red. All we're seeing is a sea of red, my people. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, the BTC. Let me put this in the monthly time frame quickly. And I want to show this chart. And this goes back to as far as August the 1st, 2011. So this is the BTC chart. Look, BTC shot up from $2 all the way to $18,200 in this chart pattern. So if you take this chart pattern, this is a rising wedge. Bitcoin went from $2 to 18,000 between 2011 October and December the 1st, 2017. So that was a big run up, a big rally it had. But if you look around the 1st of November 2018, Bitcoin fell out of the rising wedge, which is bearish. When you fall out of rising wedges, it's normally bearish. So Bitcoin fell out of the rising wedge at about 6,000. Then fell to about $3,100. In 2019, it did another run up, but look where it came to resistance. It came to resistance on the extended rising wedge because we extended the lines out. So Bitcoin came to a resistance here. When it came to the resistance, fell down lower. So the resistance was at about 14,342. That was on June the 19th. Then by March 2020, it fell down to about $3,696 level. And that was when that event happened. If you know the event, you know the event I'm talking about. And then I believe they printed money. Then the market was back off to a rally. So Bitcoin went from 3,696 on the 1st of March to the first high of 68,872. But look where it found resistance again. Found resistance again on this extended, on the lines of the extended rising wedge. Came down, formed a double top, fell down 75%. So now we're in this pattern in the monthly time frame. I believe we formed a bear flag. So if we take it from the pole to where the breakdown starts, or where the breakdown will start, that leads us to this level. And I believe that's the 9720 level. But we'll take a look on my previous videos to get more of an update on the BTC, my people. But if we look on the Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we've fallen out of this symmetrical triangle. We've fallen to the downside. So our next support is at the 26,575. After that, we have the 25,861. Then we have the 25,182. Then we have the 24,760, my people. But if we look at Bitcoin in the hourly time frame, we can see that we're having a death cross. So there's more downtime to come. So those are the support levels that I'm seeing for BTC, my people. Upper resistance is at the 26,904, then the 27,191. So that's what I'm seeing for the BTC. Let's take a look at the Sologenic chart now. The Sologenic sitting at the 0.09415, down minus 3.69% at the time of recording. Let's look in the hourly time frame. Oh, let's look on the 4-hourly time frame, in fact. So this is what I'm seeing for Solo. Solo was in this parallel channel, resistance, and this line in the middle as support. Came down 7 cents, came back up. So what I'm trying to figure out, is this a bull flag or a bear flag? Because we came down, came back up into which looks like it formed a bull flag, but we also came down from here. So could this be a bear flag? But what I'm seeing, either way, we're in this channel. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. This channel's coming to an end. So what I'm seeing, if this is a bull flag, and we was to break to the upside, we first got a resistance at the 10,226. If we broke to the upside, the first target would be at the 0.10748 on Sologenic. So that's where I'm seeing the resistances at the moment. Can we break up there? Can we break the resistance, the first resistance at 10,226 to make it up to the 10,748? If this is a bear flag that's formed, then this would be the pole, and we would take the pole from wherever we broke out from. And that pole effectively would lead us down to the 6 cents range. So that's what I'm seeing for Sologenic. Solo, we have a support. First of all, we have a support at the 0.09420. The next support would be the 0.08860. Then the 0.08333. So that's what I'm seeing for Sologenic. If the bear flag plays out, that would bring us to 6 cents. If it's a bull flag, first target would be 10 cents. So just running over these quickly, don't want to take it too long, don't want to make it too long, my people. So Coreum, look at the Coreum chart. Coreum currently sitting at 0.07801. So if we have a look at Coreum in the 4-hour time frame, so Coreum, we can see we're in this parallel channel, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Had a blow off top, but it was resistance, came back down nevertheless. Resistance came back down. So are we coming back down to support on this parallel channel? We have to wait and see. But right now, Coreum, we have a resistance at the 0.07893. If we can get above that, the next resistance is 0.08349. If we can get above that, the next resistance is 0.09605. Our support, we have support at 0.07464, and then we don't have much data. The next support that stands out after that would be the 6 cents, 0.06001. I said in one of the videos before it hit 6 cents that we was going to hit 6 cents, and we actually hit the 6 cents. It was a wick. So what I'm thinking, my people, depending if we haven't hit a bottom already on these coins, which I don't think we have, when we do hit the bottom, is it going to be wicks? Is it just going to be wicks, or are we going to sit down at the bottom for a few days, weeks, months? We don't know. So depending to get the order fills, I'm using MEXC with a portion of what I have for the bottom to have buy orders, because it might just be wicks. I don't know how long we'll be sitting down there for to get these actual great buying opportunities. So I'm going to use MEXC in order to try and fill these orders. But remember, you know, centralized exchanges are all risky. So if you're going to use a centralized exchange, only put on there what you're willing to use. Only risk what you're willing to risk. If the buy orders fill, I will send that straight to my private wallet. I won't keep it on the exchange. So that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin, Coreum, and Sologenic, my people. I did a video on Coreum in a more in-depth technical analysis. So check that out if you want to, my people. So look, this is what's happening across the board. A sea of red. And it's death crosses that's happening across the board. Death crosses. Like XRP. Let's look at it in the hour time frame. In the hour time frame, XRP's death crossing. Look. So we've got more downtime to come. Death crosses across the board. 45 minutes already death crossing. 30 minutes on its way death crossing. So there's more downtime, my people. More downtime to come. Next support I'm seeing for XRP is the 0.49417. Then the 48579. Then you've got this yellow line that sits around the 47 cents. You have upper resistance at about the 52,512. Next resistance is 52,824. The next resistance after that is 54,230. So that's what I'm seeing for XRP, my people. So look, the market's down. H-bar, DAG, seller, space chain, across the board. So my people, if you got anything out of this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I need my cake on top with icing. The T-birds of the game grease lightning. I threw boxes like M. Tyson. The last boss in the game, M. Bison. I spent a bag on 2 pairs of Gucci.